Hi everyone, Greg from Defu here, and we are on day 4 of our cybersecurity tips for Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Today, let's talk about something we've all been guilty of ignoring: software updates. I know those pop-ups can be annoying, but they're more important than you might think. When a software company releases an update, it's not just about adding new features or fixing minor bugs. More often than not, they're patching security vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Think of it this way: cyber criminals are constantly probing software for weaknesses, and when they find one, they exploit it to infiltrate the systems. Outdated software is one of the easiest targets for these cyber criminals. In fact, studies show that many cyber attacks occur simply because businesses don't apply security updates in a timely manner. For example, the infamous WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017 exploited a known vulnerability in the Windows operating system, a vulnerability which had been patched months before the attack. However, many businesses hadn't applied the patch, leaving them exposed. To avoid being caught in a similar situation, I recommend setting up automatic updates wherever possible. If automatic updates aren't an option, designate someone in your team or a technology service provider like us at Defu to regularly check for and apply updates. This applies not only to computers, but also to network equipment, mobile devices, and software applications. Beyond software, don't forget about firmware updates for routers and other network devices. These are often overlooked, but are just as critical for maintaining security. The next time you see that update notification, remember, it's not just a pop-up. It's your first line of defense against cyber attacks. If you want to ensure you see these daily videos throughout the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page and give us a follow, and to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Tomorrow, we'll cover how to identify phishing scams. See you then.